Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop system requirement. Here are the minimum system requirements for Illustrator on desktop. We have the processor, operating system, RAM, hard disk, monitor resolution, graphic processing unit or the GPU, and internet connection. We also have the minimum and recommended system requirements for Photoshop. These are the processor, operating system, RAM, graphics card, monitor resolution, hard disk space, and internet. Now, I am going to discuss how to change the color of the text using Adobe Illustrator. First, go to Select Tool or shortcut key letter V. Then, select the text to change the color. After that, go to the toolbar and select Fill option. Shortcut key is X. Go to Swatches, upper right corner. Then, select and click the needed color. And lastly, automatically, the text will change its color. To add shadow to the text using Adobe Illustrator, first, go to Taskbar. Select Effect and then select and click Stylize. Next, option box of Drop Shadow will appear, then click OK. After that, save the file. How to PNG the illustration using Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new document, shortcut key Ctrl+N. Second, import or drag the illustration that will be turned into PNG background. Third, go to the toolbar at the left side, select Magic Eraser tool, shortcut key is letter E. After that, go back to the illustration and put the cursor to the background to be erased. Automatically, the cursor will change into eraser icon and click the background to be erased. Lastly, how to save the file. Go to the taskbar at the upper right corner, click File, click Save for Web. Next, option menu will pop up. Then click Save. After that, select Saving File Destination. This will be an introduction for the next speaker. For that, here are the minimum system requirements for Character Animator. We have the processor, operating system, RAM, hard disk space, display, Open Graphic Library or OpenGL, hardware requirement for recording, and internet connection.